Welcome to another fantastic episode of The Forest People. In today's episode, we'll be talking about 4 secret Igbo customs that you should know about. 4 secret Igbo customs that you should know about. So let's dive into it. Number 1. A father can technically marry his daughter. According to Igbo custom, if there are no male children in a family, but just majorly female, a father can pay the bride price of his daughter and she will stay in his compound and bear him sons, who will continue his lineage. He won't sleep with his daughter as it is an arrow in Igbo culture, but rather, a suitable male can be selected to get her pregnant and then the child remains in the home. It is common in communities in Nnewi South local government area of Anambra State. It is oftentimes called Nhachi Nwanyi. Number 2. If a person commits a crime and is being pursued, and then he runs to his maternal home, his ikunne, the moment his 2 legs steps in his maternal home, all parties pursuing him, no matter the crime he has committed, must cease in their pursuit until his ikunne hands him over to his umunna. No harm must befall him in his ikunne. If any harm befalls him in his ikunne for a reason of the crime that he committed, that those people who committed the crime will be punished severely. Number 3. If a girl gives birth to a child out of wedlock without payment of her bride price, the child belongs to the family, not to the man who got her pregnant. Number 4. If a man harbors a woman in his home and they live together and they give birth to children without the man paying the bride price of the lady in question, if peradventure the lady dies in the custody of the man, before the woman is laid to rest or buried, the man whom she has borne children for must first pay her bride price, and sometimes in some community perform traditional marriage with the dead corpse before the burial continues, or else all the children which the woman has given birth to will remain in her father's house and the man will have no claim over them.